Hello friends, welcome to the MOOCs on Entrepreneurship Development. We are into the module number 4 on achievement motivation training. This is the part 4 which is on the who am I. So, who am I? This is a test of personal efficacy. Personal efficacy has been perceived as an important factor contributing to the entrepreneurial behavior of a person. It has been identified as the general sense of adequacy in a person. That means, how adequate you are, how effective you are, that is known as the personal efficacy. It refers to the potential effectiveness present at the covert or at the inner level, which influences the individual's general orientation and the style of life, by virtue of which his effectiveness in the working for a task related goal is likely to increase. So, we give an instruction sheet to the participants how to write this who am I write up. Let me just go through that instruction sheet. It says you have to reply to this question. The question is who am I? You have many thoughts about yourself in scattered form. So, try to collect them and try to see yourself from various angles. Your present thinking on this point will be helpful in future when we discuss about your goal and your plans to achieve that goal. Before you start writing, it would be a good idea to recall your experiences and the memories and think of those incidents which have brought success in your life and have given you enjoyment. Also think of those activities in which you were unsuccessful, resulting in the frustration. Find out whether or not you do your work well and systematically. Then the next is what are your likings and the dislikings. Think of your strengths and the weaknesses. That means, do your SWOT analysis basically as a part of the who am I. Then what are you doing at present? Think of what is it that you want to achieve in the life. That means, what is your goal in the life? Have you set any goal in the life? If yes, indicate what it is and how you intend to achieve that goal. You should try to incorporate all the above aspects in your write up. So, look back into the past, do some introspection and then write. Language is not a bar. Now, once the participants they write this who am I, and they can take, let us say, half an hour, 1 or 2 hours also, they can take more than 2 hours also. So, then we analyze their who am I write up. The objective of who am I is to look for the personal efficacy. Now, for judging the personal efficacy, we need to assess the following 4 main characteristics. So, we see the 4 main characteristics in the write up of the participants. The first characteristic is the goal clarity, whether the person has a goal or not, and if the goal is there, whether it is a concrete goal, clear goal, activity oriented goal or personal goal. So, if a person has a very concrete goal, a very specific goal, a very clear goal, activity oriented or a personal goal, he gets plus 1 mark for that. On the other hand, if the goal is unclear, if it is very abstract or global goal means I want to serve the humanity, I want to serve the society, these are all basically global goals, which are not okay for the entrepreneur at the initial stages. So, if he writes, if he gives an unclear or an abstract or a global goal, he gets 0 marks for that. The second element which we see is the initiative and the independence, whether the person has got an initiative in him and whether he has got independent thinking in him. So, he gives certain incidents of the past through which we can decipher the person has got an independent thinking and he has got an initiative. And merely by saying that he has got initiative or independent, we do not consider that. We have to check these characteristics through the activities which he has done in the past. On the other hand, if he is a conformist and a compliance, he gets 0 marks. That means, he gets plus 1 for the initiative and independence and he gets only 0 marks for the conformity and the compliance. The third is the locus of control. So, if the locus is internal locus of control, he gets, let us say, he gets plus 1 marks. Internal locus means who has got the key of a person. If a person is a lock, who has got the key? If the key is with him only, that means he has got an internal locus of control, he is driving himself. So, he gets plus 1 mark versus external locus of control, he is being controlled by some other person. That other person could be his maybe his spouse or maybe his father or any other person, let us say. external locus versus no locus of control, means that there is no locus of control, he is just wanting here and there only. So, in case he has an internal locus of control, he gets +1, in case he has an external locus of control, he gets 0, in case he has a no locus of control, he gets -1 mark. And the fourth is the problem solving attitude. I am talking about the attitude over here, not the skill. The skill a person may or may not have, but if a person has got an attitude, he can solve a problem. He can hire the people and he can solve a problem. So, if a person has got a problem solving attitude, problems will keep on coming in a business, but you have an attitude to solve the problem. So, you can get the expertise from the outside also, and you can solve the problem. So, problem solving attitude gets +1 versus problem avoiding attitude gets 0 versus problem creating attitude gets -1. So, you see these are the 4 major characteristics which we see in the who am I write up, and the maximum score which a person can get in the who am I is the +4 and the minimum is the -2. So, based on that we can check the efficacy or the effectiveness of a person. So, that is all for this specific video. Thank you so much.